Hey guys, next instrument is this. This is a bass guitar. And it's pretty slick, this one. It doesn't feel like it. It's a bit heavier than usual bass guitars, I would say. But I'm not a big expert on guitars either, so. The make is Gould, Gould. You can look that up if you want. So yeah, I'm about 5'4", and it's up to there on me, up to my rib cage there. That was just me playing the guitar. Oh, I put it back. Over there. Oh, and I've yet to show you another guitar up there. Yeah. But with this guitar, it's a little bit of a surprise. So, yeah.